Welcome to With All Due Respect Extended Version. I'm out for big jammy. I'm out for big time. And then in the man I'm calling some young man. Your friend is Seyram. Or yeah, it's been a while. I'm born on a phone. Or see, what do we? And your friend say, and I like the song because it's all about what people are thinking. I want to phone me. I want to name your friend is Seyram. It's one of the young artists. People don't know him like that. And sometimes these are the kind of songs I like. It's about people planning evil, but you've already, you have already thought before they really decided to think about what they want to do. It's all about being self-aware. It's all about knowing your enemies and making them understand that you are not smart. And it's the bigger picture is you need to understand there's a bigger person, there's a bigger hand that is protecting every single individual. It is your belief. And we have all lived through some years, and we believe that there are things that we do that favors us and things that bring us down. It's very important as a young man, ladies and gentlemen, as a young woman, you always need to understand there are always people who are trying to fight you, who are trying to bring you down as a human being, but always focus. Understand, you need to always make sure your target, you hit it. And that is what we've been able to do to this point. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to With All Due Respect Extended Version.
We see you long time. I do go no, don't me level. Like back jembe ya wanude. Vupade le nuble. Woman ya wo agbe na debi mechina fumato wo de. Meti beba zunude. Futo wo le nuble. No heavy. Like back jembe ya wanude la nude. Vupade le nuble. Woman ya wo agbe na debi mechina fumato wo de. Powder. No nyama powder. Akbena no basa powder. We see you long time. Powder. Aduko no dame level. Nene glonye munya gagonu damu. Then fire burn. If the fire we go burn them. Mahu pecho la fia wo. We see that we know them. No me pada badelo silo. We see that we know them, no me pada badelo si. Powder. Akbena no nyama powder. Akbena no basa powder. We see you long time. Powder. Aduko no dame level.
All right, that was Seyram. Powder. Yes, we see you long time. If you're planning evil, we see you long time. That was beautiful. In fact, you might not understand, but from the storyline, you understand what he's trying to say. Powder. We see you long time. No evil plans will work. And Seyram to the world. We're waiting for his debut album, which we will launch on Loud Silence TV. I'm looking at helping a year. Young artists in Ghana, local dialects, and Miami who say there's some sense in it. The next time we are looking at a song from Eye Nzima for no most of me chemo. Me change a song from Eye Dagbani for no so we are chemo. Mampurisi for most of famo nyumra. Eye Dagari, mo famo nyumra. Eye Dagomba for moswa mo asantime mo famo nyumra. More Ghana nyina obi amfana nyumbra, and for us to do what promotes these very very beautiful songs. Seyram powder. I say that like that. I quite of voice nine. Voice doesn't say you powder. You see you. I quite what my voice then should I never pan. I mean, I'm in a collaboration. I some minim talent, and this guy is talent. Inti me a collaboration. Me powder. And said, we see you. Aquaria natural. All right. Thank you very much.